That's
all proud and shit.
right. That's what they do around here.
That's awesome.
They're hunters. Hey, here we are in what is it called?
Where the hell are we?
Starvation Lake. That's right. Yeah, Starvation Lake. I was like, which is kind of interesting, but it's so beautiful. We were supposed to go to Dinosaur, and they're like the visitor center that actually has like a T-Rex, you know, skeleton in it. It's closed down. So anyway, long story short, we made it here, and it's beautiful. And there's a storm on the horizon. I just wanted you to check that out. See what Ali's doing. Hey.
Hello.
What are you doing?
A visitor guide to pick out our hike for tomorrow.
Right on. That 9-mile canyon one that you were talking about sounds good.
With the petroglyphs and everything, it's gonna be beautiful.
Right on. Do a hike. I already went swimming today. It was like gorgeous when we got here. After we finished, you know, setting up the tent, which by the way, oh my God, you got to see the tent in the wind here. Look at that thing. We staked it down, but the wind, it's like we threw 2 rocks in there. That was Alia's idea. Brilliance. Look at it. So we're hoping that she stays. I'm sure she will. It's not raining here, but it's raining over there. So, you don't need a weatherman around here to tell you it might rain, you know what I'm saying? Because there it is. Alright, is that it? Got anything else to say before I hit the button? We're almost on 2 minutes. Alright.
Ooh, I'm getting sand in my eyes.
Later.